Hello and welcome to this video on how to start your stock market journey. Investing in the stock market can seem intimidating, especially if you are new to it. However, with the right information and guidance, anyone can start investing and building their wealth. In this video, we will provide you with step-by-step guide on how to start your stock market journey. So, step 1. Educate yourself. The first step in starting your stock market journey is to educate yourself. Learn about different investment vehicles such as stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and exchange traded funds. Understand the risk and reward associated with each investment and identify your investment goals and risk tolerance. Step 2. Open a Demat and trading account. Once you have educated yourself, the next step is to open a Demat and trading account. A Demat account holds your securities in an electronic format, while a trading account allows you to buy and sell securities. You can open these accounts with a bank or a brokerage firm. Step 3. Research and analyze the stock. After opening your Demat and trading accounts, start researching and analyzing stocks. Read financial news and reports, analyze financial statements, and use tools such as technical analysis and fundamental analysis to evaluate potential investments. Step 4. Develop a diversified portfolio. To minimize risk, it is important to develop a diversified portfolio. Invest in stocks across different sectors and industries and consider investing in bonds and other assets as well. Now step 5. Monitor and review your portfolio. Once you have invested in stocks, it is important to monitor and review your portfolio regularly. Keep track of your investments and make necessary adjustments based on market conditions and your investment goals. At last, in conclusion, starting your stock market journey requires education, research, and patience. By following these steps, you can invest in the stock market and build your wealth over time. Remember, investing is a long-term game, and it is important to stay disciplined and focus on your investment goals. Don't forget to share it with your friends, those who should know this. That's it for today's video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more such content.